Welcome to the Crypto Code Trader, your shortcut to smarter, faster, and more consistent crypto results. Discover how to trade smarter, automate your crypto profits, and achieve consistent trading and long-term growth with the Crypto Code. The Crypto Code is a complete trading ecosystem built for real results. Pillar 1. Day trading. Get real-time alerts, custom indicators, and fast entry setups designed for confident decisions in any market condition. Perfect for traders who want daily opportunities without guessing. Pillar 2. Swing trading. Capture larger trends and maximize opportunities beyond daily market noise. These methods help you ride clean market moves and grow your account with higher probability setups. Pillar 3. Long-term investing. Build your portfolio with smart accumulation, proven strategies, and sustainable growth. Secure your long-term financial future. Pillar 4. Fully automated crypto bots. Let the system work for you. These automated bots create passive growth and compounding using tested, reliable trading logic for hands-free results. With over 10 years of proven results and consistently high win rates, the Crypto Code delivers reliable, repeatable outcomes for traders at every experience level. To see the full trading program in action, tap the link below in the description and attend the Crypto Code workshop today. It's the fastest way to understand exactly how the system works and start your crypto journey today. Presented by the Crypto Trader Blueprint, official Crypto Code affiliate partner. This is not financial advice. Full disclaimer is in the description. Tap the link below to attend the Crypto Code workshop today.